Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2022 Nissan Frontier. Here's a hard-working Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, midsize truck capability at an oversized value. That's the Frontier. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.